So voltaic plasma has been crippled. I'll explain what has been done, and it's got to be, all the pages have got to be checked out for this particular problem. So edit page. I'll just show you one. I'll just show you one in this video. It's been crippled in a bad way. Let's have a look. See whether it's been corrected. Actually, maybe it's still been corrected. No, it's not that one. Thanks, I'll look if I can find it. Mold removal. So some of them have been crippled. And I'll show you some mold removal. See if I can find it. Mold removal. Yeah, mold removal. Yeah, that's the one. There's no videos here. I know there's only one at the end. There's been a correction done by one of our developers before, and he deleted the videos. Done some correction there, but basically the website is still crippled. Some pages haven't got the videos in them. I'm trying to go to edit page. So number one priority, we have to go through the whole website page by page and make sure that the videos are all there in place. Thank goodness we've got a revision browse history. So that's where the problem is. The problem is here. So look, if I find it, one of the revisions. This is the problem. This video is gone. So this video is gone as well. Yeah, so this is the problem that we have. So you've got to, number one priority, go back into history of every freaking single page and make sure that if there's been this sort of mistake, so this requires a bit of intelligence and digging in. If there's been this sort of mistake and the website is crippled because the videos are on there, the videos have got to be restored. And then what the developer has done is just done a bit of correction of the grammar. So the correction of the grammar has got to be kept, but the videos have got to be restored at the right place. Say for example here, mold removal. This video was replaced by this thing. So, and really this upset me quite a bit because I've asked for this correction, for this problem to be corrected, and it hasn't been so far. Yeah. So that is the number one thing that we've gotta do. Okay, so hopefully you do understand that. That is the videos here have been deleted, not in every page, in some of them. So you've got to diligently go into every freaking page of voltaicplasma.com and look at where this has happened and keep the good corrections made and add the videos, the old videos where they are in the right place. Okay, and this is kindly easily done. I would actually go and copy and paste here everything on a Word document and do it patiently and sorting it out. Well, if you find a better way, just please do it, but it's a bit of that. Yeah, that's the first task. I mean, that's the number one. I've asked for this to be sorted out. Basically, this is one of the reasons why I got I got very frustrated at the previous developer. is because he made this mistake, and I've asked for that to be sorted out. He said it was sorted out. Still find this sort of pages. It really infuriates me. So anyway, hopefully this is clear.